guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are super lucky. We've got the awesome Shay in the studio. She's flown in for a couple of days of creating with Peter. So they're gonna have a bit of a play date today, doing some content creation for the both of them. This is a behind the scenes of some of the shoot, but some of it we can't show on YouTube. So if you wanna see the full thing, head over to Inspire. I will pop a link in the description.
All right, so the lighting's changed. All of a sudden the sun's come up. And I reckon I'm going to be overexposing. I'm just going to quickly do a test. I'm basically just going to take this back to stock standard. With the sun coming out, it's definitely changed the feeling of that light. But I've got 3 problems at the moment. I'm going to work on the light that's doing the background is now hitting Shay, which I don't mind, except it's casting a shadow off her jacket onto her. So if I just pull it just off her a little bit, that fixes that problem. But now I need you to sneak forward a little bit, maybe about there. And I'm gonna just bring my scrim light just across a little bit more. I'm trying to get a sort of a 60s style. I'm liking it. We've got a shadow under her chin. I think I'm liking all of that. Now, one of the things I was thinking, I'm going to shoot this here, is when I look through the lens, I'm seeing visually, when I moved my camera, I saw 3 different shots. So I think I'm right with the lighting. It's just very simple light. We just got HMI on the background. I just wanted to get that sort of vignette spotty thing happening behind her. And we've just got a HMI coming in through a scrim. I've offset it because I wanted to get that angled looking shadow across her neck, which was shot a lot in the 60s, that style. And I'm going to do a little bit of more film type look work on it in post. The one thing that I'm seeing once I come through, and I'm going to take 3 pictures to show you what I'm seeing and thinking. So we've got the full length shot here. Then if we just shoot it so I just get the top of the socks in, or I shoot it so we just get the skirt, the bottom of the skirt or dress. It's a dress, yeah. I want you to see what my eyes are seeing straight away. So with that, there's a bit of a strength to that picture, but once I start going back, so I'm really liking this because these socks are giving me a story. But I go back to the shoes, all of a sudden it makes her look short. And you see how we just took off, she looks tall there and still feels tall there, but looks short when I got down to the shoes. So I'm then gonna toss up, am I gonna shoot there or there? I think the socks are a bit of a statement, so I'm gonna keep with that. Can you see that, Shay?
Yeah. No, I agree.
Do you agree?
Yeah.
It just, when we get your shoes in, for some reason, it just shortens you a heap.
Yeah, well, you've got something cutting out the calves.
So I'm just going to come in and reframe this shot based on where I think I'm going to crop it. I think I'm liking it. I'm still not loving the light. It's only because the sunlight's come up and messed up the light we were shooting earlier. So I'm going to try and let's direct the light more onto Shay's face, so I'm not casting as much a shadow on her legs. There's a thing that was happening that I wasn't liking. I think that's better. That's definitely, yeah, I might just keep going with where I'm going. So what I'm trying to do is get the direction of the light, or a direction and power of the light going more to Yeah, that's better. More to her head than her legs. See, this has brought this down. Now I've got a decent amount of light up around the face. Only thing is I want to get that bit of a halo off center. That perfect center on the halo. So that was before I moved the light, and you'll see just the area here just lit up a little bit more, and it's sort of, I'm preferring the way it's sort of darkened this side and fallen off. I might even make that a fraction stronger. Just get this light in a little bit closer in here. And these little things that, it's like painting. It's looking at the picture and then fine-tuning. Yeah, I'm really liking how that's sitting. All right, do you like the look of that?
Yeah.
Cool. So I want you to get into the zone of that sort of 60s. So, cool. So the David Bailey era, that sort of, yeah. When they first started doing proper fashion, which was a little bit more broken, not so much commercial and pretty. Cool. Cool, I really like that, I really like that. And for the people that maybe are not aware of this era, I'll just put a link in the description of either Duffy or Bailey, one of their videos, so you can see the sort of work they were doing. I think there's a very famous picture that Duffy did with a squirrel, a stuffed squirrel with a model crawling along the floor. Yeah, I want a bit more broken, a little bit more movement, broken. Does that make sense? Cool. Nice, nice, nice. Cool. That's more what I want. Yeah, the hair and the face and the broken, they're the ones I'm really liking. Yeah, I'm liking these. It's, yeah, more where you got some hair on your face and you're more unposing. Does that make sense? A little bit more. I actually really like this. It's got the feel. I like this. That's cool. That's really cool. And back in the 60s, a lot of the shots weren't so much looking into the camera. It was looking either over the top of or across the other way or looking down. Cool. Cool. That's really cool. I think we've nailed that. You've seen Coco Rocha?
Yeah.
You've seen her broken, like half moves? She got that from the 60s posing. Okay. So you used to pose very prim and proper, and then people like Bailey and that said, no, just move and break and stop. And so you want to try just a little bit on that?
Yeah, cool.
We've got enough content now, but I just thought if we just do a little bit more, that's cool. I really like. Cool. Nice, nice, there, cool, cool, there. I really like that shape. That's really fine. Cool. Just sort of fall type stuff, just fall backwards and like even catch yourself from falling. That's cool. Again, it's another way, it's very hit and miss. Cool. There, cool, there, cool. I reckon we've got to have something.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that. As I said, if you want to see the full thing, you can head over to Inspire and a link will be down below. But if you want to stay on YouTube, I will pop some other videos up now for you.